next day. We got all kinds of people. So we're doing a group ride today. Sorry, there's copyright music. We're doing a group ride today. It's gonna leave here in about 15 minutes, so I don't know who all is gonna be on it, but we've already got, it looks like 20, 25 cars. How are we feeling today?
Feeling good.
Are you excited to put the green beast? What have you named this car? Is it the Green Lantern?
I haven't even named it, honestly. I haven't even thought about it, really.
I feel like it should be the Green Lantern.
I've heard Hulk, Green
Ooh,
Lantern.
Hulk would be cool too. Especially if you did like, what's his name? Bow Wow did in Fast and Furious Tokyo
Put
Drift.
like the big fists on it.
Yeah, you need a big fist for your hood.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? No. By the way, guys, everybody's been loving this car. I probably said that already. We got the whole crew that's camping next to us right here. We got Rick over here. These guys are the people that helped me fix Patty Mayo last year with my transmission switch. And they let me borrow one of theirs, which was the coolest thing ever. It was really cool.
To Devil's Dune! We made it to Devil's Dune and it's a beautiful day and the sun is shining. Ah, good job, Miles. Good job updating the people. to the lake. Now it's time to go get some lunch, huh? So we're hungry. We're hungry. So thanks for everybody coming out to ride with us. That was fun. Thanks to Idaho Dunes RV Park. They got some air footage from the helicopter. That was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, I shared it on our story, or on my story.
Yeah, I shared it on our story too.
Yeah, Krista runs our Off-Road Diaries Instagram, and I have my own personal and my own little following or whatever, but that was a great rip, guys. Stopped at the lake just to say goodbye to everybody. Let me take that for me so she can get Miles all strapped up. We appreciate everybody that came along for the ride. There's about 25 of us. It was a good time. No injuries. The only thing I think we had a problem with was somebody blew a belt. And that's about it, man. We got Nate, man. Say hi to people.
Hi, people.
Tell them how you're doing.
I am doing fantastic. I'm with Jonathan New now.
That's,
so
ooh, look at that.
That just made my day.
That makes me happy.
Yeah.
You made my day.
You
made my day. We got Nate here. We got Tig here. Patrick, Cody, Amanda, Tim. Jared was riding with me. Casey's over there. Trevor's over there. Ren's over there.
That was a good ride out.
That was a good ride out. That was a great ride out. I had a lot of fun, dude.
For a stock Pro R, that's a lot of those spots were everything it had. I'm like,
let me tell you something about your paddles, dude.
Oh, were you covered in sand?
Yeah, bro. The paddles are rough, dude. I thought Ren's paddles were bad. Your paddles are even worse, I feel like. Don't ride behind him, Ren.
I had to put my visor down behind Trevor.
Oh,
I had
my
my
God.
visor down behind Ren. I'm like, I can't see. I can't see.
Oh, it's Zoomer.
Yeah.
And on my, it's just fun drifting around 2000s.
Yeah, right. Those suckers are wide. In case you were wondering, he actually needs an oversized load thing on the back of this thing, because look how freaking wide these are. Like, give you a comparison. These are Cody's. That's my hand for reference. These are Ren's. And whoever says size don't matter, they were lying. I don't know. I just know they kick up way too much dust. Way too much. We're getting a little action. So Zoomer over here, this black car, his name's Norm, pretty much the best Duner I've ever seen in my life. He's got a very fast boondocker car. He's on the right hand side. Damn, that Kenny Evans just came out of nowhere. He's pretty fast. Yeah, he's got the same turbo kit I have on my car. He's just got a built motor and a poop ton of tuning. Uh-oh, Ren said I'm done with it. Ren, he said I've had enough. Are you tired of watching this nonsense? Is that what's going on, Ren? You had to go through and show them what's up, man?
We're gonna put her on high boost and see what
they're gonna put it on high boost, guys. You know what high boost means, right?
it's only 24 pounds.
Only. All right, so on the left, guys, you've got a Hansen car. He said he's at 16 pounds. I'm not sure the turbo size. Then you've got the Ibex car, which is Ren's car, on the right. And he's at about 24 pounds, but I believe he's on a smaller turbo. So this will be a good run. Not sure on that car on the left-hand side. Ibex car got him. That's a pretty sunset. So guys, I'm not high or anything. My eyes are absolutely trashed from sand. Just want you guys to know that. I made a post last night about a group ride and everybody's like, you're high. And I'm like, no, dude, I got sand in my eyes yesterday and it is killing me. Anyways, we came to catch another sunset. Presley, right? Presley, yeah. Presley rolled his quad. We didn't catch it on camera, but it, poor guy.
Look at Tig, look at Tig.
And then he got Tig. This is all he does. He literally just, he's crazy. I know this camera's ultra wide, so you can't see everything, but so you got the staircase there, and this is a really tall point right here. And sometimes you just need to take a sunset in. Right, baby Miles?
Yeah.
Take a little sunset in? Yeah?
Can you say hi?
Say hi? Oh. It is Sunday, by the way. Alright guys, we got Tig, Tim, Amanda's been jumping. I kind of missed the tail end of that. There's a sweet little hump right over here, which you can see. And it's like the perfect landing.
It lands very nice.
Yeah, that was good, dude. You got this rail over here jumping. They're just gonna jump in a line. You get a jump, you get a jump. Nice. Jeez. That's like the perfect landing though. Amanda said I didn't make it that far. I'm gonna go. There goes Tig. Nice. I'm not gonna lie, man, that's gonna be hard to beat, dude. That's gotta be hard to beat. Oh my God!
It's time to move on to keep me strong. Let it uncover my skin. Everybody is buying to win.
Nice. Oh! It's approximately 75 minutes later and they're still jumping. Rumor has it they're probably never going to stop jumping. Ah, man. Guys, I know that maybe in the last video y'all said something about my eyes, or somebody said something somewhere. I don't know if it's allergies or what. I have flushed my eyes with Visine and they're still just, they're ow. Like, you see that? Ugh. They hurt bad. I don't know if they're sunburned. Guys, comment below, can you sunburn your eyes? Because that's what it feels like. Anyways, I started the video way late. I've rode like 65 times a day, just haven't recorded anything at all because I don't know, I think I'm exhausted. That's what you want to come home to right there. A barking pit bull. Yeah, it's sunset. Oh, my car is acting kind of weird right now. Say hi, baby Miles. Well, you are baby Miles, so say hi. Okay, we got the old tri-tip sitting at 126. Beautiful. Now we're gonna take this guy. She's been smoking for a little while. Got to do the old reverse seat. Ooh, yeah. All right, guys. This is the end of our St. Anthony's Memorial trip. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. We just got back from the Whiskey Throttle race nights. We have finished up Invasion even since I started editing this video. But we got lots of fun Invasion videos that are going to roll out. And then before you know it, we are going to be at UTV Takeover. We just want to thank you guys so much, all the people that came out for our group ride. Idaho Dunes Adventures. If you guys do not know who they are, it's Garrett, who is Mike's son. Mike owns Idaho Dunes RV Park. We just wanted to give a huge shout out to Idaho Dunes Adventures. They do helicopter tours over St. Anthony's, and I would highly suggest doing a sunset tour with them. These guys have been friends with us for years. They're amazing people. Garrett is an awesome pilot, and they do tours all the time. So go out there, support these guys. They came out and flew out just to record us and give us a little footage, which we appreciate so much. Thank y'all. We got Takeover coming up, guys, but next video series is actually going to be Invasion, and we got a lot of fun stuff. For the most part, it was very hot, but we can't wait to share those videos with you. First Invasion video will drop on Wednesday, and yeah, so hopefully by the time Invasion ends, you'll see us on the road to Takeover to see all our friends in Oregon. Love y'all. Have an amazing night. See ya. Be kind. Bye.